Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. The story I have for you today is about summer vacation. Now, you might be wondering, why am I going to share this story in December? Well, there are people who plan their summer vacations far out in advance, so I want to share this story now in case you are making plans. When I was still in the classroom, I had a family vacation planned the week right after school ended. I brought my own Chromebook with me so I could respond to emails as needed. Well, I received an email from a parent who was not happy with their child's final grade. While I was able to eventually de escalate the situation, it caused me a great amount of stress when I was trying to spend time with my family. So, the lesson from this story is I recommend avoiding booking travel plans the first week after school ends. There are often loose ends that might still need to be tied up. I don't want anyone to have to go through the emotional turmoil I did during that experience. So, if you are planning on traveling this summer, consider waiting 1 to 2 weeks out from the end of the school year. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.